regularly is not just about sculpting the perfect physique, it is a cornerstone of a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle. Physical activity is a powerful tool that can improve physical health, mental well being, and overall quality of life. Here is a comprehensive look at how regular exercise can enhance your health and lifestyle. Physical benefits. Cardiovascular health. Engaging in regular aerobic exercise like running, walking, cycling strengthens the heart and improves its efficiency. This reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, including heart attacks and strokes. Exercise helps to maintain healthy blood pressure levels, improves circulation, and lowers cholesterol level. Number 2. Weight management. Exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Regular physical activity burns calories, which helps to create a caloric deficit necessary for weight loss. Strength training in particular builds muscle mass, which increases metabolism and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. 3. Muscular and skeletal health. Strength training exercise such as lifting weights or using resistance bands enhance muscle strength and endurance. This is important for everyday activities and reduce the risk of injuries. Weight-bearing exercise like jogging or brisk walking improve bone density and help prevent osteoporosis. 4. Chronic disease prevention. Regular physical activity can help manage and prevent a variety of chronic disease. For example, it improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. It also lowers the risk of developing certain cancers such as breast and colon cancer. Mental health benefit. 1. Stress reduction. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. Physical activity stimulates the production of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. 2. Improved mood regular. Regular physical activity can improve mood and emotional well-being. It can help alleviate feelings of depression and anxiety, boost self-esteem, and improve cognitive function. Exercise has been shown to increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that plays a key role in regulating mood and happiness. 3. Better sleep. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and deepen your sleep. Exercise boosts the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Better sleep improves overall health and well-being, enhancing your energy levels and mood throughout the day. Enhancing lifestyle. 1. Increased energy. Energy levels is increased engaging in regular physical activity, which significantly boosts your energy levels. Exercise improves cardiovascular health, which enhances the efficiency of your body's oxygen and nutrient delivery system. This means that your body operates more efficiently, leaving you with more energy to tackle daily tasks. 2. Improved productivity. Regular exercise has been linked to improved productivity. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function, concentration, and memory. This can lead to better performance at work or in other activities. 3. Social interaction. Exercise can be a social activity. Joining a gym, a sports team, or a fitness class can provide opportunities to meet new people and build social connections. These interactions can enhance your social life and provide a support system that encourages you to stay active. 4. Better quality of life. Ultimately, regular exercise contributes to a better quality of life. It helps you maintain independence as you age, reduce the risk of developing debilitating conditions, and enable you to enjoy activities that require physical effort. Exercise enhances your overall sense of well-being, helping you lead a more active, engaged, and fulfilling life. So, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is one of the most effective ways to improve your health and enhance your lifestyle, whether it is through structured workouts or simply being more active throughout the day. The benefits of exercise are profound and far-reaching. Start with small steps, set realistic goals, and gradually increase your activity levels to enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life.